really funny when you're thinking about the timeline of a tech project, because there's all kinds of variables that come into play that are often avoidable when thought through. So when it comes to buying your UiPath license, let's say, signed on the dotted line, you're ready to get a robot. It could be as quick as an installation the next day. It really comes down to whether the readiness of your organization is in place. So often, when a client's ready to go, ready to, get started with their robot, what they're waiting for is internal access. What a lot of people fail to remember is that this is ultimately a capacity that you're adding to your organization. This robot is essentially a digital employee that you need to onboard, just like any other human, needs to pass through all the credentials, the logins, understanding the access points. And so just like onboarding a human, that can sometimes take a little bit of time, onboarding a robot is typically more the onus on the client, more the onus on the organization's readiness than it is on the tech's ability to put it out there. We can turn around robots pretty quickly. It's usually about the readiness for the organization to accept those robots.